to the Simply Brilliant community. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Quite some few days. How do you do? And happy anniversary, happy Thanksgiving, and Merry Christmas to every one of us, to as many that are listening to me. Wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to you all. Yeah, I'm back and we are back again fully. I just want to share some light on the ongoing Thanksgiving stroke end of the year reward. Guys, it is true the SBC community has passed through the thick and the thin, but we bless God who has brought us thus far. Indeed, wonderful things and great things are happening already. So guys, irrespective of what has happened in the past, things are back to normal now, and we are progressing in a great way. So guys, don't lose out, don't miss out in this opportunity. Indeed, it is a great one. Don't forget whatever that has kept you behind. Forget it and press on and come up again. Guys, let me quickly share to us what we have. Now, since the new our admin came on board, we are now operating on a new bounty program. And that bounty program started last month, on 27th of last month, November, and is going on. So meaning that for everyone that pays his or her program fee, 8 grains, don't forget 8 grains, value between $32 to $35 thereabout, depending on where you are, depending on the rate of dollar at your own location. So for as many that made that payment, we be partaker of the rotator bounty. The rotator bounty is where the community has set aside $6 out of the $16 from the 4 grains from each referral bonus. The bounties that we used to collect after our referral made payment, now the $10 goes to you, and the $6 is being reserved as a joint bounty in the rotator bounty pool, and this will be shared among all active members. So that is the new payment system. And from these rotator fundings, these rotator bounties, every active member is expected, that has two referrals under him or her, you are entitled to partake in this, which you are entitled to at least $1,020 of USDT in a month. Don't forget, we are just starting and we are progressing. The more numbers of members, active members, the more the value that we will all get. So, and for active members who have no referral under them, they are the one that will be partaker of what we call the training wheel bounty. The training wheel bounty. You can see it on the screen, the training wheel bounty, which started also from December 1st, and it will run through till January 5th, when it will begin. And each member that is fall into this category will end up to $225. And this money is for you to learn and for you to get trained on how to refer, how to bring in other members into the community. And from there, you progress and go to the next stage, which is actually the share bounty itself. So this is where every member actually gets the $1,020 reward. So guys, this is juicy. This is indeed juicy. And to everyone, the December reward is a fantastic one. We bless God for our admin that has restored, I will show us later, But this reward is 1,000 SBC coin for everyone that make his or her payment for the month of December. Guys, don't trivialize it. Yes, a lot has happened in the past, fine, but don't trivialize it. Come on board now. Pay the sacrifice. Pay the sacrifice and get that 1,000 SBC holiday reward, inclusive of your normal monthly 200 rewards. So you'll be getting 1,200 SBC coin. And let me say this, our wallet is coming out by next month, January, first week of January, all things being equal. The tech are working seriously to ensure that the wallet is out. So guys, and coming out with full usability, though it may be little for a start, but we'll begin to use it. For as many who join or who are in the community in the days when we are spending our TBC, when we sell, we exchange for cash, and for as many of us that use it to make purchases, payment, indeed we know how juicy it was. The same thing is what we are going back to now. The same template, the same format. We'll be able to use our SBC for making payment, for purchase, and this is all our own, all of us is our collective effort. So when I'm selling a product, I accept SBC as part payment. I accept it for goods and services, and from there we will indeed reach out to the entire world. So guys, come on board. Don't trivialize it. Make your program fee payment as soon as possible and as fast as possible and get this reward. Now let me also now say a shout out and a thank you to our admin. When you go into your reward section and under the SBC rewards and balance and reward, you will see it. We bless him for what he has done. We thank God for this great opportunity God. And since then, our SBC balance is out. The match also, our TBC match, for as many that were with us before 2023, we all have TBC. That TBC was initially converted to K-Love and then from Joy G. Now, the Joy G is now being converted to SBC for us all. This is a great one and we are happy for that. So, the final match details is already out. So, you can go in, log into your final match. You will see your final match details as shown under. So, and bless God for that. And also, we were happy that in the course of few yesterday thereabout, for as many who have, we thank God, the stake, the funds in the stake too has been, you can go to your reward section, you will see it there. Check the number. If you know is the number written there did not tally with what you have, you can contact the support and give them proof, valid, to show that indeed this is the actual number that you have. Then for as many that has a stake funds, the same thing, and also the stake fund with interest is also there. Then for as many who has K-Love in the exchange, then it's out to go and check if you have old K-Love in the exchange. The number of K-Love you have there, you will see it there. And if you have anything GGR, for as many who also have GGR in the exchange, go and check, you will see the GGR so also there. And if you also have farm word there, go and check is there. And if you also have money in the buyback too, yes, you will find it there. So guys, in all, go and check the ones you have. We thank the admin for doing this, and indeed we are grateful. So guys, the most important thing is don't miss out and don't lose out in this holiday rewards. Yes, indeed it's a promo, fine, but it is a reward for the holiday season that we are in now. So guys, don't trivialize it. Go right away. If you are yet to make your payment, go and make your payment and come back. And guys, for as many who have left, call them back and go all. Let's go all out to bring money, to bring more people back into the community. Our vision and our mission did not change. We are reaching the world. And don't forget, we are a community that lends hands to the poor, to the less privileged, to the despoiled. That is what we are. And we will change and transform this world to a better place. By next year, when our SBC is in full usage, you will see great changes. And don't forget, we are happy to also announce that yes, our SBFC is now $30. Yes, $30. Let's increase our number. Let's increase our number. The moment we increase our number, it will go up, it will shoot up again. So guys, thank you very much. Don't forget, I am Olonoluwa, also known as Sapphire Jewel, a leader and within the SBC community. Guys, if you have not yet joined or subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. And you will also see our team Telegram link under. You can also join for clarification, information, and whatever you like. So guys, look forward to see you. If you are just listening to this and you don't know anything about SBC, the link is there. Click, give a call to explain more to you and to bring you into the community of love, respect, and abundance. Thank you very much, guys. See you. Don't forget, go and make your program fee payment and get your own 1000 SBC reward. Take care. Cheers.